Hello everyone and welcome to NR 567, the analysis of environmental impact. I'm your instructor, Jarod Dunn. And this class will primarily focus on the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA. Just a little bit about myself, about my background. I have a bachelor's in business from Texas State University, a master's in economics, specifically environmental and resource management. Resource economics from Utah State University, and I'll be completing my PhD at CSU in ecology with a focus on economics, and particularly a lot of focus on NEPA. I worked several years after achieving my master's degree as an economist, working in consulting for large-scale NEPA projects and some small-scale stuff. Basically working on nearly every phase of the NEPA process with the U.S. Forest Service, with the FAA, kind of a wide variety of stakeholders, both public and private. The bulk of my research during my PhD has been in developing cost function estimations for NEPA, and also just looking at the general structure and the history of NEPA over the years. So the bulk of my professional and academic life has been involved with NEPA, so I think I'll be able to provide some unique perspective and insight, and hopefully give you a lot of things of value for this course. I also live with my wife and 2 dogs here in Fort Collins. We own a small ice cream business as well, which is kind of fun. And yeah, I look forward to learning about each and every one of you, and look forward to a good semester.